Hello everyone, this is a short video tutorial on extracorporeal knot tying. Time starts whenever your needle is inserted into your field. Try to reposition your needle as efficiently as you can. I'm not doing a great job here, but the aim of the exercise is to basically practice extracorporeal knot tying. Take your bite through the penrose train as shown. Always try to be as accurate as you can whenever you're piercing through the penrose train. And see how I inserted my needle using my right port and I did not cut the string. I exchanged instruments so that the needle can exit from the same hole. And as you can see my hands on the bottom right of the screen, I'm gonna be tying sequentially and I'm gonna use my knot pusher to basically push on the string that has all the action. That is, if I'm using my right hand to tie, I'm gonna push my right string inwards. My left string is always gonna remain taut under tension. Careful not to pinch yourself if you don't want to cut the needle, so you can repeat the exercise many times. This is my second knot and my third and final knot to secure it. Again, push down on your right string, which is the relaxed string, and try to push away with your knot pusher. That is, don't push directly on the knot, rather push away. And keep your left string always taut. Cut the suture, and that concludes the exercise.